Hi guys, welcome back to my Untitled Japanese cuisine channel. Which do you like, beef or pork? This time I'll introduce the two types of donburi that call rice bowl dish that are popular in Japan, Gyudon and staminadon. Have you ever eaten sweet sauce Gyudon or garlic taste staminadon? Watch this video, try make the both and decide which one you like best. I also went to the ninja house these days. I introduced that briefly. So please watch until the end. So let's get cooking. First, prepare the rice that is common to both bowls. I will show you how to cook rice. 300 gram rice is used to make the rice for 2 to 3 servings. Let's wash it easy first because it may be dirty. Never rub too much. Which you press hard, the rice will break. Just mix it up and you are good to go. After washing, prepare 400 ml of water. 200 ml of water is the best amount for 150 grams of rice for one serving. Just put it in the rice cooker and start it. Let's wait until it's cooked. It's just right to prepare the food while you wait. After cooking, stir well. This will make the rice fluffy. If you haven't tried it before, give it a try. Then let's make ingredients to put on the rice. So first, Gyudon. Introduce 4 Gyudon ingredients. 300 grams of beef, 100 grams onion, a little of red pickled ginger, use as you like, 2 eggs, sugar, sake, mirin and soy sauce. Oh, I forget important ingredients, 4 grams dashi bonito. You can make the delicious gyudon with just this. First, put the eggs in the pot and add boiling water. It will be just right amount of the softness with residual heat. Wait 5 minutes and cut the onion in half. And then change how to cut because I enjoy two kinds of texture. One is the cut along the fiber, 2 cm width. The other is the cut the onion, 2 cm width. Cut the onion perpendicular to the fibers so that it is soft. If you like the onions, you can add a lot. That is no problem. And next, beef. It's best to have thin meat with fat. This fat becomes one of the seasoning for gyudon and is very important. If the beef is too big, cut it into bite-sized pieces. I cut in half. While I prepare the ingredients, it was a time for eggs. After 5 minutes, let it cool as it is so that the heat does not enter anymore. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and turn on medium heat. By frying the onion, the moisture in the onion is removed, making it easier to see the preparation and increasing the sweetness. After the onion is soft, add 400 ml of water. Then add the beef. If you put the beef in chunk, it will be hard as it is. So put them in one by one or loosen them after you put them in. After that, add seasoning. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of mirin, sake, sugar, and 4 grams dashi of bonito. Let it simmer. Simmer for 10 minutes and add the other onion. You can also enjoy the crunchy texture by adding it toward the end. And then simmer 5 minutes, it's okay. As it boiled down, it smelled delicious. It's okay if the onion softens like this. Then put the rice in bowl and put the beef on top. If you like it, add a lolo soup. In Japan, adding a lolo soup is called tsuyudaku. And put an egg on top. Oh, this egg is small. But it's just like that the eggs are jiggling. And use the red pickled ginger as you like. Finish! So let's いただきます。Look at this Chinese Gyudon! Umami of beef soak into the sauce, and it's the best! Break the egg to make it murder! I'm already happy when I eat Lex pickled ginger. You can also add the mayonnaise or cheese if you like. Please try it. The second staminadon. I introduced 4 staminadon ingredients: 300 grams of pork, 100 grams green onion, 2 clove garlic, a little seaweed, 2 eggs, and soy sauce, mirin, sake, chicken stock, and sugar. You can make mouth-watering staminadon with just this. First, cut the green onion diagonally 1 cm width. And cut the pork belly in bite-sized pieces. The pork belly with this much fat will be delicious. In the case of staminadon, let's prepare the seasoning first. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, mirin, sake, chicken stock, a little of sugar, and grate the garlic and mix well. Once it's ready, all you have to do is fry it. Yes, very easy. First, we fry the pork belly. The umami will increase if you fry it. So let's fry it. You don't need oil because it's fried with pokeberry fat. If a lot of fat comes out, remove a little with kitchen paper, like this. When it gets hot to some extent, take out the pokeberry once. And then, I'm gonna fry the green onion while leaving the fat of pokeberry. The umami of pokeberry is transferred. When you grill it, Maillard reaction will occur and the flavor will increase. So be sure to use it in other dishes as well. However, the point is make it brown. And it is important not to burn it or make it black. Then return the pokeberry to the pan. Then add the seasoning prepared earlier. Fry for 3 minutes. And you are done. Let's serve it. The point is to put the rice on first and cover the seaweed with nori. The combination of pokeberry and seaweed is ridiculously good. And I'm gonna put the poke here. Make a hole in middle and place an egg on top. And sprinkle chili pepper as you like. Finish! So let's いただきます。Look at this! Staminadon is shining as well as Gyudon. The taste of garlic combined with the flavor of seaweed is addictive. I can eat as many cups as I can. Try it! Now, which do you like, Gyudon or staminadon? If you tried making it and it was delicious, I would be happy if you could write it in the comments. Finally, I went to Ninja Village, so I'll introduce it briefly. I went to Koka in Shiga Prefecture. It was prohibited to take the videos, so only photos that were allowed. This is the former resistance of Koka-style ninja, and various tools and mechanisms used at this time remain. For example, pitfalls to trap enemies, and hidden stairs to escape to the third floor. You can also drink the tea that is said to have been drunk by ninjas and experience throwing the shuriken. If you were interested, please come and have a look. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll continue to introduce the Japanese cuisine. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. See you next time.